You're gonna be like, dude, you can't put a license plate on? And I'm like, yeah, I was really struggling.
Really couldn't see the need of making a video about this, but...
Have you ever tried something you knew was simple, but it didn't turn out to be simple? Comment below.
Because they wouldn't fit, I needed to modify it a little bit.
In my mind of minds, I thought this was going to be easy as shit because it came with all these little bits. So I literally can't believe that I have to make a video of this crap, but I was kind of stumped for a minute. So I hope this helps.
Started looking at this, and it seemed a little bit too big. Well, if you squish these down, and I imagine if you have the strength of, well, anything more than a girl, I should have probably hit this with my purse, but I couldn't get it to go in there. So what I did was I took and trimmed off 2 of these little legs on each side, and then that allowed me to be able to push it in there. You should be able to push this in there. It does look too big for it, but it definitely should go in there. So I just grabbed a knife out of my kitchen drawer and I'll whack that little leg off right there and then the opposing side leg, and it popped right in there and made a good popping, clicking noise. However, if I would have just took a hairdryer and heated the thing up, I'll bet you I could have squeezed it down enough to pop it in there. I am certain that this is the correct size, even though it seems like it's too big. If it was warmer out, it would have worked that way. Just grab it with your pliers like that. Once you've cut it a little bit down in there, and once you're done, that might be what it looks like.
And of course, you gotta make sure you're using tumodati. It should end up looking like this when you're done. Stick it in a little bit on an angle. Bam, baby, you heard her pop.
Okay, so the fine longer screws go in through the back of the plate because they protrude through the square and they push out them tabs. And the shorter fine screws go on the exterior of the plate all around it.
Whoa, who would have knew that you needed to know that? Well, I do. This is why my videos are not only about how to do something, but why you're doing it. There you go. My name's Clay with YouTube The Clay Way here in Grand Rapids, Muskegon, Michigan. If you like knowing how things work and why they fail, you want to keep watching me. So consider subscribing. If you've got a question about your automobile and it's not baby mama drama related, you can hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair over the Facebook Messenger. I try to answer everyone that I can for as long as I can. If you want to help my channel out, put on one of my sweet Clayway playlists, turn the volume down, let them suckers play from front to back. Remember, if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. Don't be the next to them, be the absolute first to you. God bless, folks. Have the greatest of days.